Why am I not receiving emails on iPhone? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Just in case if you are not receiving emails on your iPhone, then first things first, go ahead and check that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then in settings again scroll down and tap on the app option you see there at the bottom, and further tap on the mail option you see there. Further, tap on the mail accounts option and then tap on the fetch new data option. Here, make sure the push toggle button is toggled on if available. Also, make sure to choose fetch automatically or every 15 minutes for your mail accounts. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and open the Mail app and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe up on the Mail app to close it. Further, reopen the Mail app and refresh your inbox. Now, see if that fixes your issue, and if not, then go back to settings and then tap on apps and then on mail and then on mail account. Here, go ahead and select your email account and ensure the mail toggle button is toggled on. If not, then you can also tap on the email ID that is facing issue and then tap on the delete account option you see there and delete the account. Now restart your iPhone and then go ahead and add the account again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, in settings again tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone. Also, in general, again, tap on iPhone storage and make sure the iPhone has enough storage space if needed, and if not, then you might have to delete apps as new emails may fail to download if your iPhone is low on storage. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as sometimes VPNs or third-party security apps interfere with mail sync. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix if your iPhone is not receiving emails. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.